Hello students, welcome to CR Digital Classes. I'm Hashim Ali Khan. So CR Digital Classes will offer a number of videos on different subjects. By watching these videos, by following these CR publications, definitely you will gain a lot of confidence on your subject. Confidently you can write an examination and expect excellent results from your examination. So right now we are discussing about single entry system, which is in unit number 4, financial accounting 2. Already you know, section A consists of 4 marks question you may get from single entry, and 12 marks question. In question number 12A or B, you will get one problem. So normally they will ask two problems, A or B. Both are problems. But sometimes, very rarely, they will ask one theory question, one problem. But it will never ask both the theory questions. That means problem is compulsory. In the recent examination, one examination that is in June 2024, they have asked a theory question. The theory question was, explain the method of conversion of single entry transaction into double entry method. This was the question asked in June 2024, only theory. But along with this theory question, one problem was asked. So the student should be in a position to attempt the theory if it is asked in examination. So right now, I am going to explain what is the procedure, what is the answer for this question of how to convert the single entry into double entry. But before proceeding, I want to explain you, there are two methods of ascertaining profit in double entry system. So before explaining this conversion method, I want to explain you about the two methods of ascertaining profit. The two methods of ascertaining profit in single entry system are statement of affairs method, or it is also called as comparison method. Sometimes comparison method it will call, sometimes statement of affairs. Second method is conversion method. In statement of affairs method, we simply compare the capital at the beginning end of the year to ascertain the profit. But in conversion method, we have to convert the incomplete records of single entry system into double entry system. Once you convert it, then normally, as usual, how we prepare the trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet, same thing we can do. Once if we convert the single entry into double entry, that is called conversion method. Now I am coming back to the question which was asked in the previous examination. That is, what is the method? Explain the method of conversion. Different steps are there. In examination, if this type of question appears, so you have to write in steps how to convert. So what is this conversion method? Converting the incomplete records of single entry system into double entry system, so that we can easily prepare the trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. So what are the steps? The first step is ascertain the opening and closing balances. With the incomplete information in the problem, in the business, we have to ascertain the opening and closing balances. Sometimes opening balances of cash account, bank account, debtors account, some liabilities account, some assets account, opening balances are given. And we have to find out the closing balances. That is the first step. Second step is reconstruct missing transactions. Sometimes some missing transactions are maybe they're like missing cash. How much cash is received from customers? How much cash is paid to suppliers? How much amount is paid for expenses? Some missing transactions are maybe there. So by preparing cash account, by preparing bank account, we have to find out the missing information. Then third one is prepare total debtors account and total creditors account. Why we make? In order to find out the credit sales and credit purchases, that will not be given in the problem. We have to prepare a total debtors account to find out the credit sales. We have to prepare the total creditors account to find out the credit purchases. So we need two accounts. The next one is reconcile cash and bank accounts. By preparing receipts and payments account, we have to find out how much is the, we have to reconcile the cash balance and bank balance. Next step is consideration for adjustments. Some adjustments are given like outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses, outstanding income, income received in advance. All these are the adjustment. Apart from that, bad debts are there, provision for doubtful debts are there, depreciation is there. All these are the adjustment required that we have to make consideration for adjustments. Next, convert the double entry system. So whatever we have done so far, we have converted the single entry transactions into double entry. That means whatever is missing in the problem, we have ascertained. So we got the complete transactions, which will enable us to convert it into double entry system. Once you convert all transactions from single entry to double entry, now the last step is prepare the final accounts. Now you will be in a position to prepare the trading account, to prepare the profit and loss account, and to prepare the balance sheet. So by following these 7 steps, we can be able to convert our single entry system into double entry system. So very rarely they may ask you the theory question for 12 marks like this, but compulsory problem will be there. So give more focus on problems, but sometimes they may ask, so be thorough on theory concept. Hope you have understood the procedure of how to attempt the theory question, that is conversion of single entry system into double entry system. I have explained you in just a side heading point of view, but the actual answer in examination how you should write. If you write only the side heading, you will not get the full marks. Apart from side heading, you have to write few sentences of that side heading. I have explained all those points in this video. So the example of this type of question will be like this. Just now I have explained you the formal method of how it should be presented in examination will be like this. All the 7 steps what I have explained, the same thing is written here and the same way you have to write in examination. Then only you can be able to get the full marks. Whenever it is asking you the method or procedure, remember, don't write in paragraph form. Write in specific points. Just write the side heading and explain that side heading. Just like ascertain opening and closing balance, write 2-3 sentences about that point. So don't write only side heading and leave it the other part. If you do like this, you won't get the full marks. Hope you understood the procedure. All the best on behalf of CR Publications.